In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add holidays in Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a single project or overseeing multiple timelines, understanding how to integrate non-working days and holidays into your Smartsheet schedule is a crucial step. It ensures that your project timelines are accurate and realistic. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to access the project settings. Begin by opening the sheet you're working on. You can do this by navigating to your Smartsheet dashboard and selecting the project of interest. Once your sheet is open and loaded, you'll see various options and settings. Among those options, look for the project settings. You can typically find this in the toolbar at the top or sometimes in a drop-down menu, depending on your interface version. Clicking on Project Settings will open a window where you can manage a variety of scheduling configurations specific to your project. Now that you're in the project settings, it's time to set up your working and non-working days. It's important to define the length of your working days accurately, since this affects how Smartsheet calculates task durations and project end dates. Generally, the standard might be 8 hours. But you can adjust it according to the specific needs of your team or project. After deciding on the working hours, think about the days of the week when your team will not be operating. For many, this means marking weekends, such as Saturday and Sunday, as non-working days. However, if your team has a different schedule, make sure to adjust these settings so that Smartsheet reflects your actual working pattern. The final step is specifying holiday dates, which is key to maintaining an accurate timeline. Holidays are typically those special dates where work is paused, such as national holidays, organizational vacation periods, or any time off you foresee in the project timeline. Within the same Project Settings menu, find the section that allows you to input holiday dates. Here, you can begin entering the dates that your organization or team will not be working, ensuring these days are considered when Smartsheet calculates the project schedule. This step will help you avoid scheduling surprises and misalignments as your project progresses. And there you have it. By setting these parameters, Smartsheet automatically adjusts your timelines, accounting for the working hours, non-working days, and holidays you've entered. This ensures that your project management is not only efficient, but also aligned with real-world constraints. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just getting started, having this knowledge empowers you to navigate scheduling intricacies with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and make sure to check back for more helpful tutorials on maximizing productivity with Smartsheet.